It's likely you know a domestic violence survivor, and maybe you don't even know that they are. Statistics from the National Institutes of Health show 1 in 4 women and 1 in 9 men have experienced some form of partner abuse. So how can those numbers be brought down? Tatiana Cash has been looking into this today and finding out where people can get help. Tatiana.
Yeah, here in Lucas County, more than 300 domestic violence calls are made each month. And while not every call results in charges, both Bethany House and the Cocoon say the goal is to make sure victims know where there's help when they're ready to take it.
Leaders at both Bethany House and the Cocoon say they've noticed an increase in domestic violence survivors coming for assistance.
And we have more people on our waiting list to get into our shelter than ever before.
This year, we have supported 488 survivors of domestic and sexual violence already. Last year, we served 938. I definitely think that we're going to be on trend to serve, at least that many survivors this year, if not more.
Neither say they think the world is more violent now, rather a combination of several issues. But the Cocoon's Kathy Mull sees this increase isn't all bad.
I definitely think that some of the increase in numbers that we're seeing are individuals feeling safer to speak out and share about their experiences.
They say more women seeking help means fewer lives in danger. The Attorney General's office found last year nearly 8,500 domestic violence reports were made, but of those, more than 6,500 did not result in charges. Bethany's House's Deirdre Lashley says the last number isn't surprising.
A survivor will leave that relationship 7 times before leaving for good. So there is that process of leaving and then going back and trying to make it work and then leave.
Several programs promoting safety, assistance, and security are offered 24/7 for those looking to escape violent situations. And Mull says as a supporter, if you see someone struggling, only offer space for them to figure it out.
What they feel is the best way for them to receive support, to get help, and also to not become one more person in the individual's lives who is imparting control.
When they feel safe enough to want to leave, be supportive.
Having a safety plan has been shown to be the most effective way to keep people safer when they're trying to make that escape.
Having important documents, a change of clothes, and some cash stashed in a bag is ideal. The main thing sometimes is having someone the person can count on.
So if you or someone you know is experiencing abuse and needs assistance, you can call the number there at the bottom of your screen. Live here in studio, Tatiana Cash, WTOL 11.